Hi, and welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and it's Wednesday, November 19th. Now, if you'd like to watch this video in a higher resolution than you are right now, you need to click on the link, which is directly below this video on my webpage. Okay, key day today. Finally got the close below that support area that we kept visiting. I mentioned a couple of days ago how many times can we retest this low without it actually breaking. And it's a classic break. It's our third time down, and today was the day that we closed below that triangle. So in our final segment, we'll take a look at all the indexes. We'll try and see what the ramifications are, and we'll talk about resistance levels, because basically now we have that whole pattern that we've been working on for the last month or so is now sitting on top of us, and we're below it. So technically it's a negative sign. The pattern played out exactly the way it was supposed to. I like when that happens, and I have a new idea tomorrow. It's on the short side. The stock is RNT. So in just a moment, we'll take a look at that chart, and I'll show you how we're going to turn that into some money, and then we'll review all of the major indexes, so don't go away. Okay, this is a daily bar chart of the company RNT. The actual full name of the company is Aaron Rents. Traded a little over 700,000 shares today. It's traded on the New York, and there are options. Okay, this is a call on the short side. And tomorrow I'll be looking to sell this short between $22.14 is where it closed. Hopefully we get our little kickback in the morning. Anywhere up close to $23.30 or $23 would be a good spot to get a short off in this. My target on the downside is this old low, $15.10 is this area here. Buy stop in case trade goes astray. Any close above this level right here, which is $24.50. All right, what do I see? Okay, I see a big downtrend, and then I see a kickback rally, and now I see a rolling over. So in other words, this rally is over, and now we're going to come back down to at least test this low. There's a chance we could break it, but for this trade, this is going to be our target. Okay, and the rollover is starting with a descending triangle here. And we've already broken down out of it, and then we've kicked back into it, which is, this is normal action for a descending triangle. Just as long as this the declining tops doesn't turn into rising tops. So we've rallied back up into the triangle, and now we're getting ready to roll right over again. So let's recap this. This is RNT. This is a call on the short side, and when all's said and done, we could probably make ourselves close to $7 on this trade. All right, now let's go take a look at the indexes, and I'll show you how this descending triangle has played out. Okay, here's a daily view of the Dow Jones averages, and we have our declining tops here. And today we finally closed below what had been our only support area. So now once we break the support area, what was support now becomes resistance. And today this is the first time we actually closed below this area. So we have a new closing low in the Dow. Suggests to me that we're going to have another down leg. Okay, I don't know what the down leg is going to look like. It could look like something like this, or it could be shallower, or it could be even steeper. There's no way of knowing. What we need to know, and I think what this chart is telling us, is that the direction of the market is down for a while, and we need to play it that way. So this is the first. That was our first view of it, And then we took a little bit more of a steeper look at this pattern here. Basically, this is all pre-election action here, from here to here, and now we break the low. Okay, so you can still see that this triangle is still here intact, and descending triangles are supposed to break down on the downside, and this one did. So all the other indexes confirm this. We'll run through them quickly, but just to give you a quick overview. Okay, the Dow Jones Transportation Average. There's our triangle. There was our support. This one really clearly broke it with some vengeance today. Russell 2000 also confirming the break, a new closing low in the Russell 2000. So now all of this whole pattern, this little consolidation pattern that we thought maybe had a chance of breaking out to the upside, maybe getting some kind of a decent market going, all this stock now is sitting above us, because now we're down here, we're below it. So this whole pattern is resistance. Okay, this is the SPY, basically Standard & Poor's 500, and this also closed below the support area. Now, it's not to say that this market can't kick back up into here somewhere, but once they break the support area, the message has been sent. And finally, the QQQQs. Here's our triangle, and we finally got our new closing low today. Actually, we got a new closing low 2 days ago, but it was so minor that I like to see them break with that. There's no doubt about it, and I think we got that today. So the message has been sent. The descending triangle played out like it was supposed to. It took out the old lows, and we've got another. I believe we have another leg on the downside. It's just beginning too. So that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.